Hello everyone, my name is Nareshwari Yashwantadande. I am from Kiroda. I am studying in Standard 12 Science in school Danaji Nana Vidyalaya Kiroda. In speech competition organized by Gandhi Research Foundation on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, I am presenting to you the topic of what will Gandhi do today. First of all, let me tell you about Mahatma Gandhi, and then from that, what will Gandhi have done if he were alive today. When we take the names of patriots and knights, the first name that comes to mind is Bapu, that is Mahatma Gandhi. He was born on 2 October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His living was very simple and thoughts were high and clear. Discovering how Bapu becomes Mahatma, one realized the divinity in his character. Bapuji was normal like you and me, but the abnormality in his character is just a supernatural. It telling about his life story, Gandhiji mentions it as an experiment of truth. When we read in newspaper the news of some movements, rebellions and uprising, when we read the news of such a disturbing incident, it sometimes comes to mind that Bapuji was wanted today in all us. If there was Mahatma Gandhi's today, it would have been a great help in solving many of the social problems. Youth have got inspiring leadership. Today you see the realm of selfishness, greed and corruption all around us. So what will be the ideal for them? Then there is Mahatma Gandhi's selfless and service-oriented biography will inspire them in such a frightening situation. Mahatma Gandhi was continue to search for truth throughout his life. Everyone wants to find out from the time to time whether the truth is not written down by tradition or scripture. Understanding this rule, one can easily see how Bapuji is forever. We have to decide what we think is morally right. Many of contention will arise. A ban on alcohol and the social benefits from the sale of alcohol, but many of the social, political and physiological issues can resolve if Gandhiji's criterion that all decisions should man-centered. From all this, it concluded that the relevance of Mahatma Gandhiji's thoughts still remains today. Many leaders around the world were overwhelmed by the thoughts of Mahatma Gandhiji. Succeed in the struggle by following the path of values of non-violence and truth. If there was Mahatma Gandhiji's today, he would have exactly done that, and he would have told you that when something happens through the violence, then the success is temporary, but the damage is long term. It was the thoughts of Mahatma Gandhiji that inspired us. I would like to tell you that Gandhiji would have said, "Your youth is not to be wasted, but to win our development. So you should face today's situation without looking back." Many thanks to Gandhi Research Foundation for giving me the opportunity to express my opinion. Thank you.